We are with the senior leadership of Marposs at IMTEX 2025, and we're going to find out about some of the latest products that they have on display this year. Sir, firstly, a very warm welcome. What are some of the latest products that you have on display this year?
Okay, as Marposs, we are a company that is ahead of the development, and we develop products for the new trends or new productions of the market. So for us, it's going to electrical vehicle is very important. Medicine is very important. The last innovations for the better production, the control of the production are important. Examples on the innovation, for instance, are the ability to control the machining with small tools, detecting when the tools break. It seems very simple thing, but you don't see that, and you are in danger of producing minutes, hours of bad parts if you don't detect that. It forces to put additional controls in the quality, and this system, simple system, avoids all that. Avoid costs, avoid equipment, avoid problems. Other innovations are, for instance, the electrical vehicle is demanding a better gearbox, special quality in the gears. Electrical vehicles are more silent, are turning at much higher speeds, and you don't want to have a gearbox to be noisy. Right. This requires much higher precision in the machining of the gearbox. So we have the systems, like this panel, that lets measure the gears. Let's control the production of the gears, because in Marposs we have a big range of products, and we can cover for the same problems the different aspects. Like for the gears, the production of the gear, the grinding of the gear, the measuring of the gear. Right. Other products that are very important, other areas where there is a big innovation is in the medical area. Right. Here, our measuring products from the brand Solarius, that's in Marposs, every product line has a brand, has a name. So we have for monitoring, we have Artis, for touch probes, we have MIDA, for grinding we have MIDA, etc. In this case, for measuring of special surfaces, we have Solarius. These products that we are presenting on the show will permit to measure if the surfaces are correct for the users.
So what are the new markets that you're looking to tap in the coming days? Where do you see the opportunities, which are the new markets that you would like to tell us about?
Yes. Okay. A part of our traditional markets that are automotive, are aerospace, are mechanical components. Very important markets now is medical. For us, is a very big growing market. Medical is booming and becoming more technical. Is in two sides, let's say, in the devices, diagnostic devices, diagnostic systems, and in the traumatology. All the prostheses is a booming market. We are present in both. Even dental implants is very important. Electronic is also a very important market for us. The electronic is another type of production with much smaller and faster machining systems. We are currently present them in the production of the chips. We have several steps that has to do with the wafer, grinding of the wafer, where we are presenting our products and we are aiming at. Yeah?
Right. What are your plans for the Indian markets, and what is the kind of growth that you anticipate from the Indian markets?
Marposs started in the Indian market 2008. A lot has happened. Now India is the fastest growing land of the country. Marposs understands the importance on the Indian market, so Marposs is now combining our capacity to innovate and produce with the capacity of producing locally. That's probably for you the biggest thing. By establishing us not just as an importer but as a producer, local producer, we are going to have two big advantages. That's first, a main one is to be able to adapt to the local needs. And the second, and not the less important, is to produce tailor-made solutions. On site. It's not possible to produce tailor-made solution, or not that easy from far away. But being local, we have 6 offices in India, a network, a sales and technical support network that is growing, because that is another one of our capital projects, to expand our service and technical possibilities across the country. For the moment, with the 6 offices across the main areas of India. That's our big synopsis of the plan.
Thank you. Thank you so much for taking time off your busy schedule and talking to us, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Thank you.